Hey guys, Ken Periman here. I wanted to show you something that doesn't necessarily totally find itself aligning with camping. More importantly, it aligns itself with basically videography, what we're doing here, photography, but a ease and convenience type thing. So I wanted to show you this really cool product that I got, and it is by and from a company called, if you're not familiar, I am very much so, Telesin. These are handheld camera shooting rigs for your action cameras. What I love is that this guy is designed and operated by Telesin, but it can be used for, and let me show you, for your action device. And quick enough, quick tab of the button, and within a second, you see the screen says locked. I am actively recording, check it out, all this wilderness that I'm out in camping area in the campgrounds. Quick recording, and then a quick toggle of the button to turn it off. They will automatically shut down after about 3 seconds. But great setup with this. But I want to also tell you, there's another dude right here, which I really like. And this guy is for your GoPros. Right now, I have a GoPro Hero 9. Press the little toggle up top. I am now recording the beautiful outdoors. Toggle it again, and it should power off, and it is done. What I like about the whole Telesin, and it's designed by Telesin as it says, setup is that it still allows you to use your quick connects in this format while you're recording and doing your thing. But what I do love mostly about this is that you have this solid hand grip on the outside to get yourself a good control of what you're recording. Good action camera, following sports activities, good grip, and then a quick access to this start-stop button. And I say start-stop recording. You see this guy right here, which is really cool. There's a cage with a cold shoe mount on top. Take this little lever, slide it into the cold shoe section, slide it over till it clicks, and it has a little finger in there that pushes down on the record button. You can press anywhere from back here to up here, and again, we'll activate and start recording. Continuing on around, look at this nice rubbered gripped section that gives you a good place to put your palm and hold on. Another location for your thumb to activate, and it holds the whole device. And then you're like, oh, I lost the cold shoe. No, you didn't. You still have it up here. You can still use the top for your cold shoe. You still have access to your charging connection point, and you also have the ability to still power on and power off the device via the button over here on the side. Now you're like, how do I get into the camera? There is a nice little slide button right here to get into the battery if you need to, or to pull the device completely out. Additionally, there's this little key point right here. You can pull this out, and then this is a mini screwdriver to lock this into the side of this cage. You then reopen, and it's magnetic. It slides right in and locks in. And coated throughout the device, rubber points so that you're not causing any damage to your device. And there you go. You have an action, handheld, point and shoot style setup for your action cameras. GoPro Hero device as well. Easy access, controls, cold shoe, button knurled grip, and then you have the screw. You have to take the arm off on this case. What's also cool is you can set an extra SD card right there in that slot. I find that pretty convenient. There's your record button, and there's a little arm that as you slide this on, can activate and turn on and press record. I will say though, that this is very touchy. When you want to activate it, it will easily, boom, I've just activated it, and it's ready to go. It's recording as we speak right now. Now those things are all cool by themselves. Obviously super cool. And continuing on, let's say that you like to point and shoot, you like to hold it, you like to do your thing, but every once in a while you still like to just tripod it, and you don't want to go around and have to disconnect and take things off. There's a 1/4-20 in the knurled grip area that you can take your little tripod setup or your big tripod setup, and it is ready to go to record. You can go switch the tripod with the ease of just screwing it in or unscrewing it, and you're done. I like that because as it stands, these guys by themselves don't have that. You have to buy the cage or that little grip section, put this on, and then screw that onto a tripod. Now you think that's it. That's pretty cool. That's rock solid. Here's my card. Here's my cash. Let me get it. You also get filters. They come with a CPL, an ND8, 16, and a 32. So let's just go with the 8 for a quick second. And this is going to be for your actions 3, 4, and 5. Here's an action 5 that's outside the case. What I love is it's got these little bumps in here, so you can just go boop, check it out. And then, of course, pull off your stickiness. Beautiful filter sitting on top of that. Now you're like, yeah, how does it fit there? But how does it fit with this whole thing on? Here we go. Here's your action 4. In the cage, in the case, in everything. Ready to go. Let's hit record now. Ooh, enabling low light because I do have the ND filter on. How cool is that? That looks really good. And you're thinking, hey, GoPro guys, what about us? GoPro 12, 11, 10, and 9, which I have 9. Look at that. And also, let's activate the filter here. Ooh, that looks good too. And just in case if you're wondering, you do also have the 1/4-20 here on this as well, so that you can put it in tripod mode, set it down, and off she goes, and record to your heart's content. So here's the cool thing about this. These come with a full kit for ND filters for whatever you need. It's for depending on the brightness that you have, if you need to dial it down or bring it back up. Get the full gamut of filters, 8, 16, and 32 plus CPL. And again, that's just the adjustable portion of it, right? Or adjustable. It'll fit 2 different variances that they have right now, the Action 5, 4, and 3. It also fits all the GoPros from 12, 11, 10, and 9. Great package. All of this comes with it. As you can see, again, for each separate one, GoPro, action camera, and these are the lids. So there you go. So with all that, this is pretty darn cool. I'm excited to use this out in camping. When I'm in the Jeep, I have little mounts that allow me to mount to the Jeep so I can look out the window. While I'm doing some trails, runs, I can use this to connect to anywhere else on the Jeep or anywhere in the area to record what I need to. And these guys are gonna rock. And with that point and shoot style handheld, it's gonna give you a firmer grip of better control. The cameras do have that image stabilization, but having added extra image stabilization in the grip that you use just makes it that much better of a camera experience. So guys, I hope this is helpful for you. I appreciate your time, and I'm out.